friends, welcome back to Big Ideas for Little Learners. I'm so excited because today we're going to do some really fun science. We're going to make our own rainbows. So here's what you'll need. Some clear glasses, jars, or cups, food coloring, some water, and some paper towels. So I've taken these paper towels and I've folded them up. So I'm going to show you how to do that. You're going to take the paper towel, you're going to fold it in half, and then fold it in half again. So it's a long rectangle, and then you're going to fold it across the other way, like that. So I folded up all my paper towels here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 paper towels. So now we're going to pour some water into each dish. We're going to add some food coloring, and then we're going to put in the paper towels and see what happens to make a rainbow. I'm very carefully going to pour this. If you need help, ask a grown-up. Do it just so. We don't want to overflow it. Each glass dish gets the same amount of water, as close as you can get. If it's easier, you could fill it up in your sink and bring it back to your table or your counter. And go. Now we're going to add the food coloring. What's the first color of the rainbow? You could look behind me. It's red. So I have my red food coloring first. So I'm going to put in some red food coloring drips. 1, 2, 3. I think 3 is probably enough. And I'm going to use my straw to stir it up. There we go. There's my red. Now we're going to do orange, but since I don't have orange food coloring, we need to mix our orange. Do you remember what colors we used to make orange? Red and yellow. So we're going to mix some drops of red and some drops of yellow. We'll do 1 drop of red and 2 drops of yellow. 1, 2, and I'm going to use my straw again. We'll mix it up. There's my orange. And then we're gonna do yellow. So I'm gonna put some yellow in this bowl. 1, 2, 3 drops of yellow. Remember, it looks orange or red in the container, but when you mix it up in the water, it turns yellow. There's our yellow. What's the next color of the rainbow? It's green. We'll do a few drops of green here. 1, 2, 3, and we'll stir that up. Stir it. There's green. What's next? Blue, my favorite color. 1, 2, 3. There's blue. Stir the blue up. Wow, it's really dark. It kind of looks like black. Okay, and the last color is purple. So we'll put a few drops of purple here. 1, 2, 3 drops of purple. And stir that one up. Now we're going to put the paper towels in. And we're going to make the paper towels be a bridge between the colors. And we'll see what happens. So with the fold, like a little tent, we're going to put part of it in the red and part of it in the orange. And then the next one, we're going to do orange and yellow. And then the next one, we're going to do the yellow with the green. And then we're going to do the green with blue. And then the last one is going to be the blue and the purple. And we're going to watch what happens as the paper towels absorb the water. You can really see that they are starting to change color. And the water is being absorbed upwards. And then once they get to the middle, we'll see what happens. While we wait for them to continue to absorb the water, we're going to do another experiment. But I need to refill my water, so I'll be right back. Hey, I refilled my water. So for this next part, you're going to need another paper towel and some markers and 2 glasses or dishes. So we're going to color a rainbow on our paper towel. So I have my red marker, my orange, my yellow, my green, my blue, and my purple, and I like pink, so I'm gonna add some pink this time too. And what we're gonna do here is we're gonna fold this paper towel in half, and we're going to color the rainbow on the ends of the paper towel. So I'm gonna color a red stripe, and then I'm gonna flip it over and color another red stripe on the same spot, but on the back side. Okay, so there's my red on the same spot on both sides.
Now comes orange. And you want to put lots and lots of ink. And we'll flip it over and color it right next to red again. Lots of orange. And the next color is yellow. Lots of ink. Flip it over and do the same thing on the other side. Lots of ink. And next one is green. Flip it over and again right next to the yellow, put the green. And then the next one is blue. My favorite. I love blue because it's the color of the ocean. And I love the ocean. Here's my blue right next to my green. Then comes purple. Purple goes right next to blue. Flip it over and do the same thing on the other side. Purple and blue go next to each other. And then I'll put my pink last. And
Flip it over and pink goes next to purple. So now I have my rainbow on both sides of my paper towel, and I have my 2 cups. So I'm going to put my cups here so you can see them, and I'm going to pour them with water. See how full we can make it without overflowing. There we go. And now we are going to very carefully put our paper towel roll. How can I do this so you can see all the colors? I'll make it kind of round like that. And then each side of the cups. And we'll see what happens as the color travels up. So we're gonna, again, the paper towel is gonna absorb the water. And we'll see what happens. Turn it this way so you can see this one. Starting to change color inside the glass. The washable markers are starting to wash off, and I can see some color moving up here. Let's see if we flip it over. Oh, look at that. The red and the orange and the yellow and the green all mixed together. And the pink is starting to mix in. Let's see this side. This one's not moving quite as fast. So I'm going to let that sit. You can see now the colors are all mixing together in the glass, and they're turning kind of a blackish brown color. And here on our paper towels, you can see how as the color gets absorbed up, less and less color goes into the middle. So I'm going to leave those overnight, and I will post a picture for you tomorrow so you can see how they look. I'll see you next time, friends. Bye.